Welcome back to the channel. Hi, how are you? My name is Jeannie and this is Unfiltered 50s and long time no see. If you are one of my regular viewers, hi, I have missed you so much and I am glad to finally be able to have a moment to sit down and film again. And if you are new here, hi, welcome. This is a channel about beauty, wellness, subscription boxes, new makeup releases. I am a makeup enthusiast and I just enjoy the meditation that makeup brings, and I am 51 years old. And if you like all things beauty, makeup, a little bit of wellness, then I encourage you to click on the big red subscribe button down below and become part of the Unfiltered family. And in today's video, I am so excited because it is that time of the month where some of the subscription boxes that I get have started rolling in, and what I have for you today is my BoxyCharm base box. So if you don't know anything about BoxyCharm, BoxyCharm does have 3 subscription boxes that they offer, and one is the base box. It is a $25 subscription box and you get that monthly, and it comes with full-size products of about 5 items in there. This is probably by far my favorite subscription box bag item that I received during the month. I kind of go back and forth whether I actually receive their next product line, which is the premium box, which is $35 a month, and it is supposed to be a little bit of a higher level product line once a quarter, and that happens in September and December, March and June, I believe. This box, you can opt to upgrade it for $50, $49.99, and that would be your Boxy Luxe box. We just had that in September, so the next one will be up in December. You can, in lieu of getting the $25 base box, you can get the Luxe box. So that's the deets on BoxyCharm if you don't know anything about that subscription box. But this is the October base box, so if you want to see what I got in mind, just keep watching. We're getting into that right now. The base box is the red box. I opted not to get the premium box this month. There really wasn't anything in the premium that sort of interested me because I have all of the Kosas products already. That's why I'm not getting the premium box this month, and I'm not doing a Boxy versus Boxy video. So yeah, let's get into this and see what we've got. Of course, this month is BoxyCharm Candy Shop is the theme. So for this month, on our cards, we do have the reminder that the pop-up shop is going to be happening in this coming up month of November, and that will be November the 10th. So if you don't have your calendars marked, go ahead and mark your calendars. That pop-up shop will be November the 10th, and you can get some deep discounts on makeup items. Some lifestyle items as well will be in the pop-up shop, and November is a good month to have that right ahead of Christmas time. You can get a lot of your Christmas item gifts in the pop-up shop. Usually 70 to 80% off items will be featured in the pop-up shop. So I did get variation number 30 for my box, and I'll put the weight across the screen on the bottom. So heading into the box, the very first thing on top is I did get the package of Luxie brushes, and this is a cute little pack because it comes in a nice little zipper baggie, like a little travel case, and the brushes are the Wanderlust set, and I think that's the purple set, and they have an MSRP of $40. So our first item is $40 for our box, and let's get into that and see what those look like. Now I will tell you, I have an entire set of the Wanderlust set that I got on pop-up, so I do not need these, so I will probably be holding these back for a giveaway. Create eye-catching looks with this 5-piece rose gold synthetic brush set. The versatile collection includes a tapered shading brush. This is the large shader here. This is the medium angled shader here. This is the tapered blender here. The blending brush here. And then, of course, the spoolie. So that is a pretty nice little eye set. They are Luxie brushes. Luxie brushes are a very nice set of brushes to have. So that is really nice to get in the box. So that's pretty good. All right, I'm going to hold this back for a giveaway item. The Dose of Colors Meet Your Hue Concealer. And I have been wanting this product for a very, very long time. I just haven't bit the bullet and actually bought the product, but I have been wanting it. I chose 08 Light. This is what the shade looks like. And I think it's going to be a really nice shade for me. And I've heard so many good things about this, that it is full coverage concealer, but yet it blends out really, really nice without creasing. So I'm just, yeah, ecstatic. So this product right here, it is a $24 value. It almost pays for the entire box. It makes the box really worth it for me because it's $24. The box is $25. So, you know, that plus the other products that I get in the box really does bring the value of the box for me. So this product right here really made the box worth it this time for me, because I know I really have been wanting this. It was something that I was really excited to get in the box. So, you know, above and beyond, this box this month is so worth it for me, just for this one product alone, even if it's $1 shy of the price that I paid for the box. If nothing else was in this box that I really even liked, to get the other products, to either sell on Macari, gift to a friend, give away to a subscriber. Whatever you choose to do with the rest of the products, to me, the box is worth it this month because of this product. So, win, win, win. Love, again, most of the time with BoxyCharm, the box is worth it. Okay, so then the next thing is I got the Sol de Janeiro. Oh, let me add that. I got the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Kiss Tinted Capaco. I'm not sure. I'm sure I'm butchering that. That's what I'm sure of. Lip butter. And really excited to try this. And this is what it looks like. Oh. It's very, very sheer. I got the darker color, but I'm most certainly not upset about that because it is very sheer. Loving that. This is called Soul Mate, I believe is the shade name. I'm really not sure what this shade name is, but it says Soulmate on it. I don't know if that's, they're all called Soulmate, and there's a different shade name, but mine says Soulmate. And I don't think that it's going to show up over my lipstick. I think it's going to be too sheer to show up over my lipstick. Let's see. My lipstick's just coming off on it. It has a slight scent to it, but you know, I'm one of the people that does not like the Sol de Janeiro Boom Boom Cream scent, but it does not smell like that. So I'm very excited to have this. I think it's going to be lovely. This is the tint of it. It's very transparent, but it does leave behind a little bit of a nice hue, and I rather like this shade that I got. So I think that there were 3 different shades available, and yeah, I'm loving that. So that was a $24 value. I got the Ace Beauty Draw It Lip Liner Duo, and whoops, and it is rather lovely packaging. I really like this line of products from Ace Beauty. I have never really had many things from them that I didn't love. Maybe one palette. So yeah, let's see what I got. Okay, there's one, and there's one more in here. Well, maybe I have to go this side. Here we go. Ooh. Well, let's see. This one might be broke. I love the shade of this. BF Peachy is beautiful, beautiful nude, peachy nude. But it was kind of popping out the top, and it doesn't want to roll up, so mine might be broke. It's like that it's, I don't know. It's awfully pretty, and I really like it. It does have a sharpener on the other end. There we go. Yeah, it's going up. Okay. It is going up, so I think I'll be okay. Yeah. It's going up, and I can retract it back down. Okay, I think I'm okay. I do like these very, very much. Oh, and this one's the same way. So I just have to push mine down in there. Let me know if yours are like that. So yeah, so hopefully they work okay. This one is a raspberry-ish red color, and it is called So Gorgeous, and that's what it looks like. But I do like them very much, so yeah, I can put those in my lip liner drawer right now. Win-win for that. And these are a $16 value. The concealer. I got the brushes. I got the 3, 4, and then my 5th item is the Embed palette by Beauty Bakery. And you guys, if you watched my video, you know that I already have this palette, and I am wearing that palette today, just in case this was the palette that I got. So I have done several different looks with this palette. I actually got my palette in FabFitFun. I went ahead and purchased this one because I did a giveaway with this palette, I believe in July. And so my thoughts on the palette are that I really do like this palette. You can't really tell, I don't think, that I did this. Maybe if I point it out. I tried to actually do 2 different looks. Not really looks, but 2 different kind of techniques on my eye. And I'm not very good at it, admittedly. I do basically the same style of eyeshadow look on my eye every time, and I've really tried to do something different today with this eye. I tried to kind of almost do a halo type eye, and I just am not very good at swapping up my game. And so by the time that I got back over to this eye, I just did not you'll have to tell me what you think, but I just did not like this, the way that this eye turned out very well. So I went back to doing what I like over here. I just seem to always feel like that when I try to do a halo eye, it really closes in my eye. You'll have to let me know what you think, because when I do that, I don't know if you can tell, but there just seems to be too much dark eyeshadow on the inside of the eye. Maybe I just feel like my eyes are too small for that, or maybe I just don't know what I'm doing. That's probably it. But anyway, I did try to do 2 different eye looks. I didn't really like the one that I started out with as well as I like my regular go-to. Maybe it's just what I'm comfortable in seeing. But anyway, I like this palette very, very much. I think the quality is there. There is kick up in the palette, in the pans. It's a little dusty. There's a lot of eyeshadow palettes that are dusty though, so that doesn't bother me. If it does bother you, then you may have a little bit of an issue with that with this palette, but I really like it. I like the eye looks that I get with it, because in the fall I do wear a lot of these type of shadow colors. So you'll have to let me know if you got this palette in your box and what you're thinking of it. What all did you get in your box? Did you get the same variation as I did? Did you get the same things in your box? Did you choose the Dose of Colors Meet Your Hue Concealer? What are you thinking about it? I'd love to hear from you, and let me know down in the comment section below. I look forward to seeing you in my next video, guys. If you haven't subscribed to my channel and you'd like to, just click on the big red subscribe button down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Mwah. Smooches until next time. Bye for now.